Children, it is activity page 7 for day 6. Activity page 7 for day 6. Now, this is the activity about the LCM by division method. LCM by division method. Children, you know the method of finding the LCM by division method. Now, let us discuss about the LCM of 14, 16 and 24 by division method. Take that numbers. Their numbers are 14, 16, 24. Now, first you try to divide it by 2. It is better to take the prime number. The first prime number is 2. So, you try to divide it by 2. You know that 2 sevens are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 12s are 24. Then, again you try to divide by 2 because 8 and 12 are divisible by 2. So, you write 7 as it is. Because 7 is not divisible by 2, write it as it is. And 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12. Again here 4 and 6 are divisible by 2. Then you divide it by 2. Write 7 as it is. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Here you got 3 prime numbers. They are the co-prime numbers and also prime numbers. You can take them as it is or you can convert that in. Then you divide it by 2. Write 7 as it is. 2 1s are 2. You write 3 as it is. Next you divide it by 3. Write 7 as it is. 1 as it is. 1s are. Next you divide it by 7. 1s are 1s are 1s are. You got 1 1 1 1. Here you can write this as it is and take them as a factor, or otherwise reach up to 1 and take that 2 3 7 here. In this way you got the factors of the 14, 16, 24. That is the product of these all factors becomes the LCM of the 14, 16 and 24. Here you verify once again. 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 2 12s are again 2 7 you write as it is, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are. Next 2 7 you write as it is, 2 2s are 2 3s are. Next 2 7 you write as it is, 2 1s are 3 you write as it is. Again you divide by 3, write 7 as it is, 1 as it is, 3 1s are. Next 7. So you will get the product. How many times 2 are there? 4 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Next 3 into 7. 4 times 2, 3 and 7. The product is here. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48, 48 into 7. 48 into 7 you will get 8 7s are 56, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 5 32. So the LCM. Therefore you write here you got LCM equals how much? LCM of what? 14, 16, 24 is 326. And next one you take, you do this. Find the LCM of this 24, 38 and 62. 24, 38, 62. Similarly, you take that number 24, 38 and 62. First you divide it by 2 because all these three are divisible by 2. Then again try to divide by 2 if it is possible. Continue the division. Next try to divide by 3 if it is divisible by 3. Like this way get the LCM by the division method. Find the LCM of 15, 25, 30 and find the LCM of 16, 12 and 18. That is by what? Right here by division method. By division method. Here You take this 15, 25 and 30, and you know that all these three are not divisible by 2. Next you try to divide by 3. You know that 15 and 30 is divisible by 3, and write the 25 as it is. Next you divide by 5. By getting 1 at the end, find the product of all the factors, that is the LCM of the numbers 15, 25 and 30. Here also find the LCM of 16, 12 and 18 by division method. Then fifth one, find the LCM of 9, 12 and 18 by division method. Find the LCM of 16, 22, 28 by division method. You know that this LCM is necessary while we have to add the fraction. Division is required. In that case, the denominators are different. We have to find the LCM of the denominator. Therefore, children practice division method of finding the LCM.